Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you the Pet Shard Oxpecker ability and how to apply it to your pet in Grow Garden game of Roblox Safari update. Okay, let's get into it guys. I just got this Pet Shard Oxpecker from the Safari Joe as the reward from submitting my pet. And I'm going to show you how we can apply it to our pet. Okay, basically, this Pet Shard Oxpecker can give your pet the ability of the Oxpecker, and this is the Oxpecker ability, guys. It can make the cooldown time shorter, and I'm going to apply it to one of my pets, so my pet can have the Oxpecker ability. Oops, wait. I'm going to select one of my pets. I'm going to choose zebra or giraffe. Okay, let's apply it to giraffe. Oops. Okay, and I have already applied the Pet Shard Oxpecker to my giraffe. And as you can see, that my giraffe has turned into red. And I'm going to view the ability of my giraffe. Let's view it. Okay, it has the Oxpecker ability now. And okay guys, that's all about the Pet Shard Oxpecker in Grow Garden. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.